Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your TikTok sound is delaying. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. But before going into the solutions, first let's know about what causing the problem. There might be three very common cases for this issue. The first one is your internet connection is not properly connected. In this case, just simply check your Wi-Fi or internet connection, and in the second case, this might be because of the bugs or app update. In this case, just simply open your Play Store or App Store depending on which platform you're using, and after that search for TikTok, and if your TikTok show the update button into here, just simply update your application. The third and most common reason for this is your app cache. Now if your app cache is cluttered, it might be cause so many problems. So to solve this issue, just simply go into your settings and privacy, and from settings and privacy find this cache and cellular option, and now go to free up space. And after going into there, you will find this clear cache option. Just simply tap into clear and confirm by clearing the cache, and after that your problem might be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.